How to stop seeing thread notifications on Instagram. So if you're seeing thread notifications on your Instagram account, I'm going to show you how we can turn off these notifications. So first thing you need to do is just click on the home button in the bottom of the Instagram app, and then click on the heart icon in the top right hand side to bring up notifications. Now you can see at the top of this page that we have this notification that this person has posted a thread that we may like. Now I don't follow this person, I don't know who this person is, and I don't want to receive these thread notifications. So to go and turn this off, we can simply swipe over to the right hand side. You can then click on these three horizontal dots and click on turn off notifications like this. Now this will stop threads from notifying you of this particular type of notification. If you do see a threads notification in the future, then it may be a slightly different type of notification and you'll just need to repeat this process again. Now if I go and refresh my profile, you can see that these notifications have now disappeared. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.